Why do people often follow the crowd, even if it goes against their own beliefs? This seemingly peculiar behavior is affected by what's known as the herd instinct wrapped in a biopsychosocial net. Originally a concept studied in animal behavior, it implies a tendency to conform to group norms or mimic the actions of a larger group. This instinct often serves as a mechanism for self-preservation and maintaining social cohesion. In humans, this herd instinct takes on a more complex form. It includes social acceptance, identity, and even our brain chemistry. Psychological theories like conformity and social influence, groupthink, and social identity theory offer insights into the human herd instinct. Similarly, sociological phenomena such as collective behavior and cultural norms highlight its prevalence in societies. Keep in mind neurobiological mechanisms like mirror neurons and reward pathways that might underpin our tendency to follow the crowd. Now, let's go deeper into these theories to understand why we humans, like animals, often succumb to the herd instinct. From a psychological viewpoint, herd instinct manifests in various phenomena such as conformity, groupthink, and social identity. Solomon Asch, a renowned psychologist, conducted classic studies on conformity, demonstrating how we often align our opinions and behaviors with group norms, even when these norms contradict our personal beliefs. Then we have the idea of groupthink, introduced by Irving Janis. This concept shows how decision-making within a cohesive group can lead to irrational or dysfunctional outcomes, driven by a desire for harmony and conformity. Finally, we come to social identity theory, developed by Henri Tachfel and John Turner. This theory suggests that our identities are intricately tied to the groups we belong to, and we may often conform to maintain acceptance within these groups. So, psychologically speaking, our need to conform and to be accepted by our group can often steer our behavior. When we view herd instinct sociologically, it is mirrored in collective behavior and cultural norms. Collective behavior refers to actions taken by a large group of people. It could be a trend that catches on like wildfire, a sudden bout of mass hysteria, or even a social movement. This rapid spread of behaviors or beliefs across a population often points to an underlying herd instinct. Next, we have social learning. This is the process by which we learn and internalize the norms and values prevalent in our culture. It's like a mirror reflecting aspects of the herd instinct. Now, let's have a look at social comparison theory, courtesy of Leon Festinger. This theory provides a compelling framework to understand how herd instinct might intensify feelings of loneliness and isolation. According to Festinger, we have a basic drive to evaluate our abilities and opinions. When objective, non-social means are absent, we resort to comparisons with others. So in a sociological context, herd instinct is a powerful force driving collective behavior and social learning. Neurobiologically, herd instinct might be driven by our brain's mirror neuron system, neurochemical factors, and reward pathways. The mirror neuron system plays a pivotal role in our ability to empathize and understand others' actions and intentions. This system could influence our tendency to conform and mimic the behaviors of the larger group. Then we have neurochemical factors. One key player is oxytocin, often associated with social bonding. It's believed that oxytocin might facilitate group cohesion and collective behavior, integral aspects of the herd instinct. Lastly, we can't overlook the brain's reward systems, particularly dopamine pathways. These systems could reinforce conformist behavior by associating it with positive emotional states. In other words, when we conform, our brain rewards us with a dose of feel-good chemicals, nudging us to repeat that behavior. In conclusion, the herd instinct is a complex phenomenon shaped by psychological, sociological, and neurobiological factors that intertwine to influence our behavior.